Smarthub's Usage Explorer tool uses real-time data to analyze energy usage. This tool can be customized and filtered by different ranges, time spans, and usage types. Log into the Smarthub app on a mobile device. From the Home tab, access the Usage Explorer tool by tapping the usage icon on the bottom of your screen. From the Usage Explorer tab, you have access to a wide range of usage periods. Tap into each usage period to view a bar graph, comparing usage to the average temperatures in that same time frame. You also have access to usage numbers, sorted by billing period. At the top of the tab, you can view usage numbers from the last 2 weeks. Tap into any day to view an hour-by-hour graph. Tap Refresh All Usage Data for the most up-to-date data usage information. After logging into Smarthub on a desktop device, you can access the tool from the homepage. To ensure you are on the Smarthub homepage, click the San Isabel Electric Association logo in the top left corner. From the homepage, click the arrow next to Usage. You can see a drop-down menu with different usage monitoring options. Click the Usage Explorer text. It will bring you to the Usage Explorer page. With the Usage Explorer tool, you have access to highly customizable real-time energy data. Up top, you can modify the range of time of data displayed. View monthly, hourly, and daily energy usage. You can also change the meter you are observing and set a custom date range up top. The quick date range gives some shorter, more recent ranges to observe. A bar graph shows your energy usage within the specified time range. Shift the dates you are observing with this slider. You can tap this blue text to view information within the month, day, and hour. With monthly and daily intervals, you can see options to compare high and low daily temperatures to energy usage. You can also see a text chart featuring highs, lows, averages, and totals in energy usage over the selected time frame.